So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically have transparent or clear icons on your iPhone. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it doesn't take too much time. Now, you will have to be on iOS 26 to do this, so make sure you are on iOS 26. Now, what you're going to want to do next is you want to go ahead and hold down on any icon on your iPhone home screen. So go ahead, hold down on any icon, and then what you want to do is you want to click on this Edit Home Screen button. Tap on Edit Home Screen, then the top left, tap onto this little Edit button you have right up here. Tap on Edit, and this little page, if you do it right, so you have to click here, click Edit Home Screen, click on Edit, and then you want to click on Customize, which just shows up right there. Tap on Customize, and then at the very bottom, you'll see all these little types of icons and things come up. What we want to do is we want to tap on that clear button, which is the third button all the way to the side. Now when you tap on there, you will see all your icons will now end up being clear on your iPhone, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. Now if you want to change it again, you can hold down on any icon, tap onto the Edit Home Screen button, which is right there, tap on Edit, which is in the top left, click on Customize once more, and then go through and then change it if you want to from here. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solda.